Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a quick update video as it relates to the exams that were conducted all the way back in August 2020. And remember, there was a lot of controversy about these grades, these exams, and so CXC have been, well, they said they have been trying to, honor people's requests for reassessment, remarking, and all that kind of stuff, queries and requests. And so they put out a statement yesterday, January 2nd, 2020, as to the progress of their work towards the reviews of these exams that people have been querying. And so let's read. BRIDGETOWN, Barbados. The Caribbean Examination Council, CXC, appreciates the patience and understanding of our stakeholders as we finalize grades for Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate, CSEC, and CAPE for July-August 2020 exams. Throughout the review process, we have endeavored to be thorough and comply with our quality assurance processes. At this time, 80% of requests for reviews have been completed, and we are working assiduously to complete the remainder. So 80% have been completed. So I guess a lot of people should be getting responses now. On the 31st of December 2020, final results were shared with CXC Local Registrars, and on July 4th, 2021, CXC will release grades to students via online student portal. Alright, so good so far, 80%. CXC values and appreciates all our stakeholders' feedback, and in 2021, we are committed to listen to and engaging with each stakeholder group as we work together for the mutual benefit of all stakeholders. CXC is currently in dialogue with the Ministry of Education across the region to finalize details for administration of the regional examinations in 2021. These details will be shared with our stakeholders and main public within coming weeks. The end. Alright, so this might be the end of the saga for some people. So, you know what we do best with this thing. Let's just pop over to Facebook and see what the comment section is like over there. So you have it right there. Please be advised that approximately 80% of review requests for July-August 2020 have been completed. CXC has commenced uploading final results and will make these available to candidates commencing on 4th of January 2021. So anybody in the comment section, anybody out there, please let us know. If you requested a review, how did it go? Tell us how did it go. Did your grade change? Did your profile change? What happened? Tell me what happened. So let's dig over to the comment section over here on Facebook. And so we have one here with 10. All right, 10 thumbs up and 2 likes. So any word on refunding those people who paid for the review before the price was reduced by 50%? When will they be paid their refund? Okay, CXC, that's a question for you. So I remember that when things got a little heavy, to try to ease some of the concerns, they decided to, to try to keep the natives calm. They decided to reduce the fee for reviews by 50%. But the thing is, some person would have asked for reviews before that. So now people want to know, where is my refund? Where's my 50% off? Right? So CXC have that to work on. Then we have one here, 6. I don't know why CXC making it seems like they're actually doing something that may change the grades. It has taken over 6 weeks to write back candidates to say that there has been no change to their grades. CXC is a joke. Let's brace for CXC 2.0 coming in 2021. Alright, so this person seems as though they know some persons who would have asked for a review and spent the money, waited 6 weeks, and all I got back was them saying, well, hey, nothing doing. Grades remain the same. So if you're somebody like that, could you please let us know how it went, what happened? Tell us if you wasted time and money and ended up with the same results. All right, let us know what's going on over there. All right, let's see what else we have here. I would like to have a refund of my money. The subjects I paid for was not reviewed, and the people who did not pay for review got grades changed. I'm so upset. All right, so we can feel the pain of that person right there. So let's see what else burning coming. Okay, we'll have one with 8. The profiles will change, but the grades remain the same. What? So this person saying that the profiles will change, but the grade remains the same. And some people agree with that sentiment. Correct. That is what I noted too. no changes to grades, only profile. So somebody is in the same boat. And then so somebody else saying here, my child math changed to AA, that's a profile, and 1B, and still remains grade 2, which is not fair. That's what that person is saying. All right, we have a next one here. I paid to query my daughter grades. I paid to query, and I guess my daughter grades change. She's very pleased. No. All right, that's a good outcome for this person. So the person got some love and some, thumbs up. So that's a good outcome for that person. Whereas others, I am so happy that my grade changed. Okay, that's good. Wonder what's going on with mines. Other people are worried still. CXC, when will we receive certificates? It's actually holding up something very important for me. So I guess this person might want to transition into a tertiary level education or whatever. But CXC is missing with their certificates. And the same person, same thing. When will we receive our certificates? Oh, but here's one. What about CAPE grades? So, CAPE grades being reviewed or released? Come on, CXC, talk to us. All right, so that's just a quick update as to this important notice that CXC dropped as it relates to the review process. So as you can see, some people are happy, grades will change, others are not because they got basically the same thing, where others, they still are not happy because profiles will change, but grades will not change. All right, so if any of you did reviews, let us know what's going on. Let us know what happened in the comment section. And so that's it for now. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and stay tuned to Learn SKN. We're going to keep you updated with all things CXC. 2021 is here. Let's see if CXC can learn from their mistakes. All right, so thanks for watching and thanks for listening.